Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Delisime. For today's nail tutorial, we are going to be trying the Born Pretty brand, which if you guys watched my last video, already know that it's one of my favorites. It's currently the nail polish that I'm rocking on my current set, but we'll get to that a little bit later in the video. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Delisime and I am a licensed nail technician, and I like to come on to YouTube to go over nail tutorials, nail styles, trying all the different types of nail brands, polishes that are available. And if you guys hear that scratching on the door, actually my cat Kiki, and I feel like she deserves a little bit of a shout out because we have been doing so much cat eye lately on the channel. And yes, she is my little stinky. In light of our cat eye, I thought that you deserve a shout out on the channel for being my little cat inspiration. And so I thought you guys should meet her, Kiki. Sorry about that. I was holding her hostage in the in the room because I wanted to give her a little feature, a little shout out for the cat eye. Anywho, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, maybe you will at the end of this video if you find that you're having fun or just enjoying the content overall. And without further ado, let's dive.
All right, so we are finally going to dive right in. It looks like we have our little magnet that just kind of jumped out at us. And we are going to go ahead and check out these beautiful colors. Now, I am trying something new from Kira Sky. This is their ultimate base coat. I didn't realize there was a difference from their standard base coat compared to this one. But I'm feeling, as I was putting it on, I'm feeling like it's a non-wipe base coat, but I am not going to take my chances. I still have my alcohol prep pads just to make sure that there's no inhibition layer, even though I was like touching and feeling, and I'm like, I don't, I don't think I need to wipe these, but I'm gonna wipe. Oh, and it looks like these two got stuck while they were in the UV light. So I'm just gonna go ahead and peel them apart, wipe them down, and then just get them ready for this polish. But I'm just going through trying out these new products. I've got my file here so that we can just kind of file off that excess gel, because once they cure on top of each other, there's going to be like a teeny little lip. So I'm just making sure to remove that. Okay, so we are going to be laying down our number one. And as I'm looking at the lid and the polish, it's giving like a red with accents of gold. And as I was scrolling through Amazon, trying to figure out what I wanted to try on for the channel, I decided to go onto Born Pretty because I've had pretty good luck with them so far that as a brand. And so I'm like, let me try it. And then I realized that they have what's called 7D or like 9D cat eye nails. And I'm like, okay. And I am looking through the photos and I'm like, this looks like there's 17 different colors in this cat eye. So I'm like, I have to try it. So as you guys can see, I'm like going through a couple different magnets. The one that came in the package isn't as strong as I was hoping it to be. So I, of course, went with the crescent moon. I just feel like it always ties it in beautifully. But rolling right in to our number two. This one is giving like a blue purple, and it's coming off really light on the nail swatch. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna try two coats and curing them for 30 seconds in between. If you guys watch my videos, if you know. And you always want to just make sure that you read the manufacturer directions. Lucky for us, this one is 30 seconds. So I'm curing these for 30 seconds and I'm like, two coats is pretty. I'm putting the magnet and I'm seeing that accent color. And but I'm just like, it's not giving as it was in the photos. So I'm still trucking along. I'm going through all the different colors because I want to see all of them anyway, because, I'm just like curious. And I'm like, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna fill the swatches. I'm only gonna do 2 coats. I should have done 3, but that's okay. So I'm doing my coats and I'm manipulating the cat eye, and I'm just like, I'm wondering if I need to add something to make it pop more, you know? So I'm like halfway through. The green is giving, the magnet is moving. Like it's definitely cat eye, but like where is like the 7D? Anywho, we are going to be going right into number 4. This one definitely has more of like a gold base. And then I think that red is going to be our accent color. So we're just going to go ahead, slap on this top coat, and then we're going to dive right into curing that, and then right into the second coat. And as I grab the magnet, I see that there's like a little fuzzy. So I'm like grabbing the fuzz, and then we're going to go ahead and manipulate it. And it's actually like a gold on gold, which is interesting. It is very interesting with like hints of red. Well, I'm definitely happy with the way that turned out. It's really pretty. I feel like that'd be like a really nice one for like the New Year's, you know? The next color that we're going to be using is super near and dear to my heart because this is actually the color that I have on my current set. And you know what's funny? I was talking about how many like coats I use. I only use 2 coats on my nails. And when they are in the sun, like it does give what it needs to give, like it's giving. But I feel like when it's on the swatch, it doesn't give. But it's cool because on my nails, you guys can actually see when the light hits it. You get hints of blue, you get hints of red, and you best believe I will be most likely trying every single one of these colors myself personally. But let me go ahead and cure this and give you guys a little bit of a close-up on my nails. So I've been really kind of like trying out the 3D nail art, and it actually, turned out beautiful. And like, look at those. Put a couple of red gems just for that red accent. Just like stunning. Like I love it. Yeah. So we've got our last but not least color. This is going to be number 6. And this one is like a light purple. And I feel like that accent is like going to be white, but honestly, it might be blue. We will have to see here in a minute. How have you guys been feeling about the nail tutorials? I was thinking about maybe doing like a reaction video of like unhinged TikTok videos, because when I am on my For You page, let me freaking tell you, some of the craziness that I see in the TikTok videos, I feel like would be so fun to review on the channel. So keep an eye out because I'm thinking about doing a reaction video. So as I was finishing up, I decided to grab my Model 1's gel polish, of course, holla. I ordered a white and a black polish, and I was thinking like, why don't I, for the swatch's sake and for like the 7 to 9D sake, put the gel polish, the black gel polish behind to see if it gives what it's giving in the picture. So I quickly just put black gel polish on all of the swatches and cured them. And as we review them, it definitely is giving what it showed on the picture. And it shows like those 7 to like 8, 9 different colors, and it just made the nail so much more bold. Here they are all next to each other, and of course we're gonna top it up with the Kiara Sky top coat, the non-wipe top coat. I find this works really well for like chrome and stuff, so if you guys want to like, I don't know, want me to do like a Chrome tutorial, I guess I could do that too. But I'm top coating all of them, and you can see the stunning highlights of the cat eye as I'm like tilting the nail back and forth. So I am extremely happy. I am pleased, pleasantly surprised that they are absolutely stunning. And here are my nails just one more time because I just needed to show you how beautiful they are in case you guys didn't see it the first time. But I am going to add these to our collection so that when we have our nail clients check these out, they will be able to see all the different options. So I'm really excited for them to pick out the new 9D cat eye nails. I'm so excited to be able to rock these on my nails currently. I'm excited to add them to the collection. You know, being able to have a bunch of different options for your clients is really nice in case, you know, they don't necessarily know what they're looking to do. So as we wrap up this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and pack everything up. Born Pretty, you are definitely top 3 on my list. We have Model Ones, number 1, Maniology. We love them on the channel. And then Born Pretty. I'm definitely going to have to order a couple more things from you guys to see what we got to work with. But I am extremely pleased. I am so happy.
What do you guys think of the Born Pretty brand? I did not think that Cat Eye could get any better than it already is. Being able to incorporate 7, 10 different colors into one polish is absolutely stunning. And then when you kiss it with the magnet, it just turns out beautiful. I am in love with my current set. If you guys can't tell, I'm like talking with my hands, but I feel like I always talk with my hands. But I feel like it makes my job quite a bit easier when I'm working with nail clients. I'm always worried about the time that it takes for me to do their nails because if they have things that they need to do through the day, I want to make sure that I am mindful and that I get my work done in a timely manner. So that's why I feel like I've been just so enthralled with Cat Eye lately because not only is it absolutely beautiful, but it's nice, quick, and easy, and also creates just like the perfect, most beautiful finish. So I am excited. Y'all are gonna have to let me know down in the comments. Like the video, share the video, subscribe if you guys aren't already subscribed. And for those of you who keep coming back, I appreciate you. I love you so much. I would not be here without all of your support. And for those of you who like more short content, I will post a video or I'll post like a playlist here. There will be something here that'll display all the short content that I create. So if you're more into like the short content, definitely don't forget to go ahead and check that out. And I will see you guys for another video.